Hey guys, you're welcome back. It's your right keys. We're live on CoinMarketCap and currently I have some ongoing airdrops. We'll be looking at Vow VOW. That's the ongoing airdrop for today. It's currently ranked at 3,911 on CoinMarketCap. Uh, with about 5.9 million people, CoinMarketCap users, having it on their watch list already. So I think this majorly still because of the ongoing airdrop. Is a criteria to have it on your watch list. But apparently, 24-hour volume, you can see the price 0.5 cents dollars. You can check the price movement. There's a price chart available. All time high has been 0.7, okay, about 1.13 cents, $1, 1.13 cents. So you can see the price movement. Market data is tracked, though there are some confirmations to be done here. Circulating supply. Official website is here if you want to check out or make research. Valcurrency.com. Then also we have is on the Ethereum contract and tags. You have loads of them here. So this airdrop is currently going to be ending 2 days from now as we're recording. So you want to jump on it as soon as possible. So if you participate, you get a chance to win about 150 VAL tokens. So Vow airdrop is going for February 23rd to March 11th. Ends March 11th. About 300,000 Vow tokens up for grab for 2,000 winners. And also, you can see the number of participants, 5.7 million participants already. So this is valued at $170,000. So Vow instantly and permanently eradicates product return and reward costs for tier 1 retailers anywhere in the world. So Vow launches officially at the end of March 2022, but there's still time to participate in the Vow airdrop. Go over to CoinMarketCap, follow up. There's the Twitter task, social media task. So guys, for the bonus tip, add it to your watch list and make sure your watch list is set at public so you can easily be checked. And also for the Twitter, you follow them on Twitter. Make sure you turn on notifications. Then also you want to retweet their pin post and tag as much friends as possible. You can tag up to 100 friends that are interested in cryptocurrency. Then also follow them on Facebook, tag your friends on all social media handles and retweet, post, subscribe. I think that's basically all you need to do. Then you want to stay active on the platform too. So for Telegram group, if there's a Telegram group, you want to stay active there. You want to try and be helpful. Then fill in the airdrop form for the step 10. So you need to fill in the airdrop form and leave your ETH address, Twitter handle, and email address. So the form will be available on the yeah. The participation does not guarantee to be selected for the airdrop. So Vow is solely responsible for the selection and distribution of assets and winners, which will occur after the close of the airdrop. So those are stuff you need to know, guys. So this is basically it. Once you're ready, all you need to do, make sure you're logged in to CoinMarketCap. Once you're logged in, click on submit airdrop or participate in airdrop and you're good to go. So peace out guys, your boy Key. See you in a future upload. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our videos and support us by subscribing so you get notified also whenever we drop beneficial airdrops and more. Peace out guys.